everyone, welcome back to RTS and welcome back to another fun summer giveaway. Yes, that's what we've been doing over the last few weeks at RTS. Has been having some fun summer giveaways. It's just something I wanted to do over the summer because a lot of my subscribers have been enjoying our Spending Free's freebie videos, and I will list that playlist below. And so I have been telling my subscribers, you know, if you want to get some new things but you don't want to spend any money, enter those giveaways and then make sure you check back to see if you were indeed the winner of those giveaways, because sometimes there's a timeline, sometimes there's a deadline, and sometimes the person that's hosting the giveaway just simply does not know how to reach you. So definitely make a note and follow through. Did you actually win that giveaway? So I have some fun things for this giveaway, just something that I picked up, something I wanted to do of some items that I picked up on some recent travels, and then also to watching what has been new coming in at Tuesday morning. And when I watch them, sometimes I watch them to see if I want something, because I do have some Tuesday morning gift cards, but then also to what would be a nice, some nice items to pick up for giveaways. So in this summer giveaway, we are going to have paper, we're going to have brads, we're going to have an embossing folder, we're going to have dies, we're going to have chipboard, journaling cards, some thickers. Yeah, we're going to have some fun, summer fun in this giveaway. So up first is that I have 5 sets of this 6x12 chipboard. Now, this is something when I saw, I'm like, somebody has to have these. I don't really need them, but I wanted someone to have them. So I picked one of these sets up because I wanted to put it in a giveaway. So the first one we have, you know, because we're going to do the whole summer fun thing, is that we have Echo Park Summer Fun, this chipboard set. Very, very fun. And then we have Summer Bliss 6x12 chipboard by Echo Park. And then we have Beach Days by Cartabella. And I just played with this collection in our 4for4 series, our summer round. So look into that. Love, love, love. Look at this. An orange soda. Yes, an orange soda. I'll take that any day of the week. Yeah, life's better in flip-flops, and yours truly does not wear flip-flops. No, I don't like my toes exposed. Yeah, there you go. Something quirky about me. I don't like my toes exposed. And so then we have Cartabella Soak Up the Sun, another fun chipboard set. Lovely ice cream truck. And then one of my favorite Cartabella lines ever by Toy Box. It was designed by Stephen Duncan. I saw that somebody has to win this because somebody needs to play with it. And I have this collection, and I do have this chipboard set. I haven't played with it, but I wanted to show that something just as simple as this 6x12 chipboard set, any of these beautiful sets, you can take some of these bigger icons if it's hard for you to work with, and you can build a scene with these bigger pieces and let those bigger designs of these chipboard be your photo for your story, and then just add some journaling and a title. No photo needed. Very, very fun to play with. Okay, so then the other summer fun thing I have is that I have a set of thickers here. Now these are just wonderful puffy thickers, okay? And it's called Donut Worry, because these thickers are absolutely have treatments as if they were donuts, glazed, iced, sprinkles, and then some of them actually have a bite out of them as a donut would. I mean, is that not summer fun? Because you can't go through summer without eating at least one donut somewhere in your life. No. And then I found an embossing folder that is of that same Donut Worry. Yes, Donut Worry. And that's actually what it says. How fun would this be to make some cards? And then you would include a Krispy Kreme or a Dunkin' Donuts, even just a $5 gift card as a small little gift to someone. Very, very fun. And then I have, I have a die set. This is something new that Tuesday morning had out recently, is they had some Doris dies. And so I have one that has a heart, a star, a badge, and a circle. And these are all basically about Americana type of theme, but you could use these for any type of summer fun pages. And so with these Doris dies, when you see these, you need to know something about these Doris dies. They cut very nice, especially for the price you're getting that Tuesday morning. But then everything that you see here does not cut out. Just be aware of that. Because it says a die cut embossing stencil. So even though that these are dies, they're only going to die cut this main shape, and these little ones are going to, these little images inside are going to be embossed. Just so you know that. That was something I had to learn back in the day. I thought all of that would be cut out. but it's not. Okay, so then the last thing I have two little mini collections to go with a lot of the summer fun, and they are My Mind's Eye. It was something that came out recently. So the first one I have, which is just too fun, and it's called Tutti Frutti. Yes. Now, when My Mind's Eye released these next two lines, I didn't buy any because I have a lot of this type of generic papers as far as this color scheme, but it's just so fun to play with, especially this time of the year because it's summer. So this is a 6x6 paper pad, and this does have some foil treatment on it, especially my favorite piece, which is this floral right here, if you can see that. That's very pretty, has some treatment on it. And so then the brad pack that goes with this, which you know I brought a pack of these brads home, yes, because they're different. They're different in the sense that these have gold trim. A lot of brad packs have silver. So this makes this unique, very fun. And then also too with that is the washi set that goes with this Tutti Frutti. How fun is that? This is a nice little mini collection. And it's so fun that Tuesday Morning's coming out with supplies like this. The buyer for Tuesday Morning has really paid attention, and that buyer does watch YouTube videos as to what to get and not get for their store. They're really doing it really, really smart. But that's another whole topic. Okay, let's go to the next thing, which is My Mind's Eye Happy Days, another little mini collection that Tuesday Morning offered. And this is a wonderful set too. This is basically eclectic as far as the color scheme and some of the icons, but you can use this for just basically any type of page. And so you can look here. This is the color scheme. So along with that 6x6 pad, I got the journaling cards to go with that. These are nice, very fun. And then also too, I found the washi set that goes with that. So all of this, the chipboard and the die and those donuts, thickers, embossing folder, and these two mini collections as part of this giveaway. And so I wanted to say something. When you get something like this mini collection, and this isn't enough for you to make a kit and to build a kit, here's one really quick tip I want to share. You see this right here, it says Tutti Frutti. In that word tutti is your color scheme. So just pick out any supplies you want in that color scheme of that orange and pink and the turquoise and that coral, well, it's an orange, and that lime green. And the same way with Happy Days. And a lot of manufacturers do this. So in Happy Days, see how My Mind's Eye has the word happy in the colors? Those are your 5 main colors in this color scheme, and you can build a kit from that. Just pick anything you own in your stash, and you can add to this and make this into a nice bigger kit if you wish to do that. That's just a fun, quick way to figure out what to add to something as a mini collection to build a kit. Just wanted to say that. Okay, so what do you need to do for this summer giveaway? You simply need to leave a comment, be a subscriber, USA only. And with that, in the next giveaway, it's going to be just for international. So you international girls, I did not forget about you. Definitely check into the one coming up. The next one will be just for international subscribers only. So be a subscriber, USA only, be over 18, and leave one comment. And the comment is, what has been a recent happy day for you or your family? What's just been something that was just a happy day? Whatever it is, just list it below. And so in a couple weeks, I'll pick a winner. And up soon, I will have the winners for the previous 4 summer giveaways. Yes, so hang in for that. And I want to thank all my new subscribers. I want to thank my subscribers that have been here from the get-go, and those ladies leave me comments. I want to thank you for leaving me comments. That is really a big part of my channel here, having that interaction with you from the get-go. That's just been really important to me, and I always hope to keep that up because that feels something in my life. You're bringing me joy when you leave me those comments, and so that is a happy day for me when I get to read those lovely comments from you. So thank you very much. And so just leave a comment, and the full details below for the giveaway will be in the show notes. So click on that show more button and you can see that. So that is all I have for today. Come back because you never know what we're gonna do. Bye.